Hi, baby! Yay, my video uploaded! Woot woot! Woot woot! Woot woot! I'm so excited! Oh. Wednesday! Wednesday! Come here. She always cries when she doesn't get held. This is Wednesday. She likes to lick. And it's not okay sometimes. What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you hiding? Playing hide and seek? Oh. Hey, Blitz. What you doing? What you guys do today? Did you have fun on Wednesday? No, don't kiss me. Okay. Alright. So, I was so worried that my video didn't upload because I didn't get any notification. But that's just YouTube not notifying you that your video has uploaded, so there you go. But, oh, I'm so happy it uploaded, which means I don't have to upload a video today, so I can edit it to today's video and then put it tomorrow. So yay, my plan is working! Woo, woo! Moose, wanna play catch? Give me the ball. Okay, want the ball? Want the ball? Go get the ball! Good boy, Moose! Give me the ball. Give me the ball. Give me the ball. Give me the ball. Ow, ow, ow. Give me the ball. Give me the ball. Ready? Go get the ball. Gosh, I can't throw. I'm trying to throw it in the hallway. Okay, come here. One more time. One more time. Ow, ow. Ow, ow, ow. All right, here we go. Woo! Did you see that jump? He's our athlete, guys. Moose, the athlete. Alright, guys. I love you. Hey, Blitz. Hey. Hey, Moose. Hey. We're just waiting for the neighbors to leave so we can go for a walk. Let's see. See out the peephole? You can't see out the peephole. Well, it looks weird. It looks like an eyeball. Let me look out the peephole while you look at the dog. Alright. Looks like the coast is clear, guys. So I'm going to take the boys for a walk. I already took Miss Wednesday. So I'm going to take these guys. And then I will come back and look at my video. Hey, you guys are all getting me tangled up. Give me a second. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Okay. So they did some work before work. It's all clear. But oh my gosh, it's so cold and windy. You probably can't hear me. It's really cold. I think Luke likes it. I think he likes the wind in his fur. Do you guys know what school that is? Or what school I went to? I'm wearing my husband's water polo sweater because he likes me. He lets me do it. I'm just kidding. Actually, it doesn't fit him. But he would let me wear it whether or not it fit him or not. It's just it doesn't fit him anymore, so now it's mine. But I'm going to do dishes now while the dogs look at me all sad. Come on, guys, doing dishes is fun. Yay! It's not fun. Look at this mess from yesterday. I made pork chops with olive oil, and they turned out really good. My first one. So today is salmon. Salmon. I like fish. My husband doesn't, so I have to make it so where it doesn't taste like fish. So it's a challenge. But dishes time. And you know what's funny is normally I clean when I'm upset or like sad or depressed or whatever. I don't know why, like cleaning makes me feel better. I guess it's like cleaning my mind sort of thing. So if you see me cleaning, it's either because we're having company over, I'm frustrated because it's like a mess, or I'm like there's something wrong with me. So but I do feel better when the house is clean. I mean, who doesn't like a clean house, right? And who doesn't like wrestling dogs? Oh, they're so funny. Moose? Wanna play catch? Come here. Ah, you guys all can't play catch. Alright, ready? Let's do this again. Go get it. Yeah, good boy. Ah, he took off with it. Oh, sorry guys. He took it. Come on, let's go on the bed with Daddy. Stop, Pio! I'll come on the bed too. Ready? Stop, Pio!
She's killing me.
Stop! Ah!
She's hurting me. She hurts me.
The dogs hurt me. Look at, he looks happy now. You guys should have saw it when my husband came home. Moose yelled at him, put his head up, and then walked away. I have no idea what that was about. And then he just looked sad, like he was just like moping around. And I told him that I think he wanted some moose bedtime. And look at him now. He's like so happy. He really appreciates that bedtime quality time.
She's gonna hurt me. Get her off me.
So I'm going to do the impossible and try and make this not taste like salmon. I'm gonna try. So I'm gonna grab the rice. So wish me luck, guys, because my husband's doesn't like fish. So I'm gonna try my best to try to not make this taste like fish. Cooking dinner, and I think it turned out really good. Look at this. Woohoo! Looks good, huh? I can't wait to eat it. Sorry, you guys don't get any. But, on the bright side, you guys want some cookies? Want some cookies? Want some cookies? Let me try and get some good cookies for you guys. There we go. Alright, split. Wednesday and Moose. There you go. Is that Moose? You sleepy? You sleepy, bud? You're not sleepy, huh? Wednesday, what you doing? You're so fast. How the guineas doing? Hey, guineas. What's up? What's up, guineas? So we're about to go to the gym to do start week 2, exercise 1 for the week. So I'm pretty excited to get this done with. Let's see what we got. I made myself a little notebook of all the stuff because I like to be organized. So today we have physio ball, push-up class. Oh my gosh, it's like, okay, if you use this ball and you put your feet right here and then you put your hands on the floor and you do a push-up. I don't think I'm going to be able to do that, so I'll probably just do regular push-ups. But they don't have, I don't think they have a physio ball at work, so I don't know, or not at work, at the gym. Let's see, we also have some laterals and kickbacks and tricep stuff, so it looks like it's going to be a fun exercise. But yeah, let's see how bouncy this ball is. Yeah? Nothing else better to do? Okay. Here we go. Oh, it's so bouncy. You know, exercising with this ball is pretty difficult. Ow, ow, ow. Woo. Alright. Hey guys, so we're at the gym. We just finished our workout. All we need to do is the physio ball thing. We decided to do it at home because we don't have it at work. Or work. Why do you keep calling this place work? We don't have it here at the gym. So, it's freezing out here. And we had to sign a waiver because did you know that Bally's, that LA Fitness took over like all the Bally's in California? And so if you want to go to a Bally, you have to like go out of state. That sounds fun, right? So now we have to sign waivers and look at membership stuff. So I just want to say goodnight, guys, and thank you very much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.